While Tesla vehicles don't require traditional maintenance like oil changes and spark plug replacements, they still need some level of maintenance to ensure smooth operation, longevity, and safety. Here's a breakdown. What Tesla vehicles don't need. Oil changes, since they are electric and don't have internal combustion engines. Oil changes are unnecessary. Spark plug replacements, again, as electric vehicles have electric motors, spark plugs are not needed. Emission checks, Teslas are zero-emission vehicles, so emission testing is not required. What Tesla vehicles do need. Software updates. Tesla regularly releases software updates that can improve performance, add new features, and address potential bugs. These updates are crucial for maintaining optimal functionality and are often installed automatically. Tire rotations and alignments. These are essential for maintaining even tire wear and optimal handling. Similar to gasoline-powered vehicles, Tesla recommends rotating tires every 6,250 miles or if the tread depth difference is 2/32 in or greater, whichever comes first. Cabin air filter replacements. These filters help maintain air quality inside the car and should be replaced every 2 years, or as needed depending on your environment and usage. Brake fluid health checks. Tesla recommends checking the brake fluid health every 4 years and replacing it if necessary. However, regenerative braking in Teslas means brake pads wear less compared to gasoline cars, and replacements might not be needed as frequently depending on usage. Clean and lubricate brake calipers. In areas where roads are salted during winter, Tesla recommends cleaning and lubricating the brake calipers annually, or every 12,500 miles to prevent corrosion. Additional maintenance recommendations. Suspension inspection. While less frequent than gasoline cars, it's still recommended to have the suspension system inspected periodically for wear and tear. Wiper blade replacements. Worn wiper blades can affect visibility, especially during rain or snow. Replace them as needed to ensure clear vision. Body and paint care. Washing and waxing your Tesla regularly helps maintain its appearance and protect the paintwork. Remember, consult your Tesla owner's manual. It provides specific maintenance recommendations and intervals for your particular model and year. Schedule service appointments. You can schedule service appointments through the Tesla app or website. Stay informed. Tesla may communicate additional maintenance recommendations or recalls directly to owners. By following these guidelines and staying informed, you can ensure your Tesla vehicle receives the care it needs to function optimally and maintain its value.